Hello friends, so in today's tutorial we will learn about the simulated CTA and chat. You can add these to bring in more traffic through your webinars as well as to direct the traffic even in the evergreen and semi-live webinars and to show engagement. After you create a webinar, you can do it in any of the three webinars: live, semi-live or evergreen. Currently I am demonstrating you in an evergreen webinar. So when you go inside the options inside the particular event, you will have to click on the CTA button. After that, it will show you that you don't have any current CTAs, right? Now to add a CTA, you must write a message that don't miss this free PDF copy CTA link. I will put a sample link over here. Button text would say grab it now, and I want this CTA to last for 1 minute, or suppose I'll say 2 minutes. Alright, and I want the CTA to trigger in 30 seconds maybe. Oh sorry, this is minutes. You have to put in the seconds over here. So you can trigger the CTA at exact particular second when you want inside a webinar. Here we click on the save button and the CTA has been saved. It is that simple. Now you also want a simulated chat. Now here you can add the name of the person from whom you want a chat to be displayed. john@xyz.com, and the message would be, hi, how can we get the premium version of this product? If you want this to be triggered, this can be done suppose in 20th second into the webinar. You click on save. And not only this, you can even add a response to it. Like I would add it from my own name. Message would be, I will share the link in a few minutes. I want the chat to be displayed at 25th second. So here I click on save. And now we are ready to go into the room. So the first option we have here is so you can see I have muted the video currently, and here we are 20 seconds into the room and we see a message, and at 25th second we see the response to a message from the presenter. And now we have the grab it now button, that is the simulated CTA. So when I click on the grab it now button, it will take me to the link I have entered. So you can direct the people to the page where you have your product sales page and get the sales from here. Okay guys, so you must be wondering about how will the CTA and the chat would be seen from the viewer side. So let's check it out. So this is the viewers page. The webinar has started. Let's wait for 20 seconds for the first message. If you have any suggestions, please do write to us on huwebinar@gmail.com. So here you go with the first message. After 20 seconds, the second message from the presenter, that is the reply. And at 30th second, you will have the CTA.